On your Canvas page, when you go to modules, and you go to your assignment for today, the 4.2 practice, when you do the questions, the square root of 4 would be 2, and the negative is what creates an I. And you would check, and then keep going. Okay, these ones will mark it correct. It shouldn't be weird. On this one, let's say I have the square root of 81. That makes a 9. Square root of 25 is a 5. And then if it's a negative in the root, it creates my I. Check your work. There should be nothing weird on these ones as well. When you get to question 3, square root 36 is 6. It will mark it incorrect. The square root of 36 is 6, and the negative does make the I. This is correct. Leave your answer alone and continue going. So if your answer is marked incorrect, leave it. Maybe ask a neighbor to check, and then if you both agree it's correct, leave it, and I will add full points in. If it is wrong, then you will not receive full points. Okay, on your assignment, there is also question 6 that has a cube root. We did not do those in the notes, so I'm going to do 2 questions with a cube root. So mine says the cube root of negative 24. If I write 3 negatives, it's technically still a negative because these would make a plus. A negative would still be floating there. So this is fair. It is correct. It does not make an I. 24, I'm going to say 2 times 12. That would be 2 times 6. And 6 would be 2 times 3. I need 3 of a kind. These 3 get to leave. These 3 negatives get to leave as a 1. Cube root, this 3 was left in the root by itself. There will be no i's in your solutions. They will have a negative sign that is allowed to leave. So I'm going to do a little bit larger number. Cube root negative 250. Cube root's nice because I can have 3 negatives and it still outputs a negative. 25 times 10, 5 times 5, 5 times 2, these 3 get to leave, these 3 get to leave, cube root is left with a 2 inside. So when I type these on my computer, I had -2, whoops, sorry. Then I click cube root. On the inside, I had a 3 left over. Okay, the 3 has to be on the root. Then I would go here, -5, cube root. On the inside, it was a 2. There will be no i's when we have a cube root because the negative is allowed to leave. So please make sure you complete this assignment today. You have plenty of time. Thanks.